All right, guys. So I don't see any videos online comparing KC Pro6 Lightbar versus Baja Design's ONX6 Plus. So once the sun goes down more, we'll get you a little light demonstration. But on this Jeep, he's running 50-inch KC Pro6 Lightbar with rigid, I think they're DXL pods in the driving pattern. On the Tacoma, there's a 40-inch Baja Designs ONX6 Plus in white, and then on the A-pillars, they are white Baja Designs XL80 in their combo pattern. Also running a Baja S8 30-inch amber light bar in the bumper, and for the fog lights, they are Diode Dynamics SS3 Max in their fog pattern. And as typical, headlights are HID. All right, guys, so it's nighttime. So first we're gonna compare just the light bars and then the pillar lights, and then we'll turn everything on, give you a comparison, and then at the end we're just gonna turn every single light that we have on. Even though he doesn't have a bumper light bar, we'll just turn everything on to see how it is. And after that, we'll just turn everything up and see how much we can light the whole mountain up. So go ahead and turn on your light bar. Nice. Pretty wide beam. Very bright. Okay, go ahead and turn it off. And here's the Baja. So, the Baja, not as wide illumination, more spotty, but it does fill in a lot of foreground. Much more than the KC. I'm gonna turn it off again. Go ahead and turn the KC on. Yeah, KC is much more focused, but still very great. Go ahead, turn it off. Here's the Baja again. All right, go ahead and turn on your A-pillars. So those are the rigids. Now, note, our A-pillar lights are pointed outwards, so they're not pointed straight ahead, so they're not as focused downrange. All right, go ahead and turn yours off. And I'm gonna turn on my A-pillars. So, about the same. Yours illuminates much more of the foreground. Turn on. On again. Yeah, lots of foreground. Off. Yeah. I think those ridges might be brighter. Go again. You know what? Rigids are more floody. Bajas are more spotty. Yeah, the Bajas punch out further. Okay. Go ahead and turn both yours on. Bam. That's a lot of light. Wide area of coverage. Go ahead and turn them off. And then these are the pods and the ONX6. Pretty good. Yours again. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh. Go ahead. Yeah, nice. You got the flood from the rigids and the spot from the KC. It's actually a really good combo. Turn off. And the Baja, a little bit more spotty in the middle. Still great flood, but more spot oriented, I guess, versus flood. And then you want to turn everything you got on, headlights, fog lights, everything you got. Boom. Oh, and also those trees are roughly 100 yards away. All right, I'm gonna turn everything I have on. I'm not gonna turn my headlights or fog lights on, but I got more lights anyway, so there's the same, and then here's the S8 with it too. And if anyone's wondering, that's what the S8 looks like by itself. And then go ahead and turn everything you got on too. Oh yeah. If anything's over there, we're definitely seeing them. They aren't hiding from us. There you go. Let me get a little further back. So there you guys go.